In this tutorial, we want to draw this logo here with apples stacked on each other in Inkscape 1.0 or in Inkscape in general. The first thing I'll suggest you do is for you to enable your snapping. So go here and press the snapping, and then you go here and press snap notes path and handles. And the important thing we need is the snap node, snap to caps notes including rectangle corners, because we'll be needing that. And then now go to the rectangle tool here and draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle which has the height. Let the height be just a little longer than the width, not very long. You can check it by going to the select tool here, and then you check it. You see I have this. Maybe I even reduce my here a bit, so I go to shift and then reduce it a bit, maybe to have the height. I want the height, maybe, yes, this is okay. The width, the height is a bit longer than the width. Now the next thing we would want to do is we are going to go for our Bezier curve, and then we want to trace this rectangle. You see, the reason why you press there and you click, when you get to the corner you move, you click, when you get to the corner you move, you click when you are, that is, you move your hand out of the left mouse, and then here you double click to complete it. Now we go in and select our rectangle. We don't need it anymore, so just delete it. Go to delete on your keyboard to delete it. Now go to with your edit paths by notes tool here, and we want to edit this this rectangle. So press this side here and move it in a bit, because we want to see this handles. If you can't see it, just click it again, but don't double click, just click it once, and then you will see the handle. So move the down handle to this side for it to be horizontal, so you have something like an S shape, and then move this to the left also for it to lie the horizontal. And then the same thing we do here, we click this, we move it a bit to see the handles, and then we move this to the right for the handles to lie horizontally, and then we come for this handle and move it for it to lie horizontally here again. Now we are done with what we want to do. Let's give it a color. Let's choose something like this color here, and then go to object, transform, and then this dialog box pops up. We want to rotate this 45 degrees, so go to right 45. If you open it and you are not at rotate, go to rotate and put 45 degrees, and then we will rotate in clockwise direction. So go to apply, and we have it rotated. Now we want to put some gradients in here, so just click this and then to select it, and then go to object, fill and stroke to get this dialog box opened, and then go to the radial gradient. Now we want to manipulate this gradient, so go to the create edit gradient tool, we press it. You see this thing here, try to get to the center of it, so I can make it a bit bigger for you to see. Okay, go back to it. So click on the 0 or the hole inside there, and then click it, and then give it this color here. Now go to the end here, also click it and give it now the color, this color here. So now we are done. Go to the select tool and then press here to get away. Now we want to create the apples. So just go to the circle tool and then go to control and then draw a circle. Now after drawing your circle, give it a color, maybe this color or this color here. I'm not very sure which color I use. It doesn't matter. Give it this color here, and then we select it and go to path, object to path, so that we change this to a path. Now we want to manipulate the path we've created. Go to edit path by nodes. You see these 2 zeros or 2 holes here. Select them and then move one down, just a little down, so that it looks more or less like an apple. So it's not like a circle generally, but it looks like an apple more or less. Now I think my circle is too small. Maybe we make it a bit bigger. I can select it and go to Control Shift and make it a bit bigger. And maybe we'll see when we put it on. If it's not big, we can easily change it again. Now we make a duplicate. First, let's rotate this 180 degrees since it's already selected. So go here again and put 180, and then we rotate it this way. Yes, and then we do a duplicate of it. So go to edit, duplicate, and then with the duplicate, we'll go to filter, and then in filter go to blur and go to evanescent. Move it here. Now we come here and select this and do another duplicate. You can also do duplicates by just pressing the left mouse button and pressing your space bar. Now we have our duplicate. This duplicate, we want to give it a radial gradient. So we've given it a radial gradient. This is how it came. Now we stack this and this together on each other, and then we select all and come and place it here. Yeah, you can adjust your apple in case it doesn't fit into your thing. And then now with this, we would give it a different color. Let's give it this yellow color. We repeat the same thing. We do a duplicate. So I go to edit, duplicate, and then I go to filter, blurs, evanescent, and then that is done. And then this one, I give it a radial gradient, and then I stack this on this, and then I select all and come and put it on here. So we've been able to create the logo that we talked about. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help me. Thank you. Bye.